Hola! This is CJ Nunang from Every Nation Campus in the Philippines. Good day, everyone who's there from Every Nation Lima, students and leaders and volunteers. I hope that you're having a great time in your meeting. I just wanted to know that I miss Peru, including my friends there, like Pastors Luis Asaniero and Pastor Omar Bartolo, and the leaders that we have there. First of all, I just want to say thank you for doing campus ministry. Well, as someone who got saved inside the campus 22 years ago, I owe my life to people like you who would not give up in reaching out to students. And also from someone who's leading the movement here in the Philippines in terms of campus ministry, I want to say thank you for doing what you're doing. Secondly, I just wanted to know that your labor is not going to be in vain. Like what is said in 1 Corinthians chapter 15, verse 58, it says here, "Therefore, my beloved brothers, be steadfast, immovable, always abounding in the work of the Lord, knowing that in the Lord your labor is not in vain." As long as you do it for the Lord, as long as the labor is for the Lord, then for sure, that work will never go to waste. I know that in campus ministry, sometimes ministering to students can be a hard task, but please be steadfast. Be always, make yourself available for them, be there for them, and of course, continue to trust in the Word of God. It also says there, be immovable. I know that sometimes culture can be a challenge, also when it comes to ministering to young people, but please continue to press on. Continue to move forward, knowing that you have the greatest weapon with you, which is the Word of God and the gospel, because the gospel is the only thing that can change the heart of these young people. You know, everywhere in Asia that I go to, I see the work of God through campus ministry advancing. Even here in the Philippines, one of the most exciting things that we're looking forward to, and when it comes to events this year, is we're going to have our Ignite 2015. It's a gathering of campus ministries all over the nation, and we're expecting to have around 15,000 students fill up a whole Coliseum, praising God, worshiping Him, honoring Him in everything that they do. Well, again, this work did not start like this. About 30 years ago, we were just a handful of students who are committed to see and advance God's kingdom. We never saw our size then as a hindrance, but instead, we know that if God will continue to work in us and through us, then this thing that we're doing right here can have an effect in the entire nation. I know that that same thing can happen to you guys there. That's why please continue to do campus ministry and never give up reaching out to students. Last but not the least, I just want to remind you and remind all of us that campus ministry can literally change the course of our nation. Ministering to these young people who would soon become future politicians, doctors, lawyers, teachers, the most influential people there in Peru and in the rest of the world are in the campuses right now. So if you minister to them today, who knows who they'll become in the future, and they can literally change not just your nation, but change the world as well. Like what we always say in campus ministry, let's change the campus as we change the world. God bless you all there. I miss you, my friends. Thank you for doing what you're doing. I'm so glad to be a part of your meeting today. God bless you all. Bye.